Hey, this is your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Just want to welcome everyone back to the channel. Thank you everybody for watching, viewing, subscribing, everything. We greatly appreciate it. Did you guys hear about the new Mojave that just came out from Arrma? What is it called? The Mojave Grom? Thing looks pretty cool, right? What do you think about that thing? Well, today we're gonna do an unboxing and we're gonna do a quick run. So let's check it out. I believe they just came out maybe about a week ago. I think they're actually starting to sell them in store. I actually picked mine up in store. I did pre-order one, but I'm still waiting on mine from Arrma. So hopefully I get it soon. That'd be cool. But for now, one of my local stores, or local hobby stores, actually had one. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. He knows who he is. Couldn't wait to grab mine, of course. They do come in 2 different colors, just to be real quick with this. All right, let me see. So they do give you 2 different options of the colors. You have the blue and you have the red. I love the red. I have the original red 7th scale Mojave also. So that's the color that I went with, was the red. So truck looks awesome. They did an excellent job on this truck. This is a 4-wheel drive transmission or layout, basically, in chassis. It does come ready to run. It does come with a battery. It looks like comes with your USB charger. Let's take a look and see what else is in the box. Let's go. So this is what you get in the box. Looks awesome. You have your standard SLT2 remote that comes with it. Not bad. Does come with your instructions, your manual. Does come with some tools, batteries, stuff like that. It does come with the charger inside this bag, the USB charger, and nice. That looks like that's about it in that bag. Let's see what we have here. All right. Nice. Let's see if I can get this thing up close to you guys. So let's give you a close look of the actual vehicle. Very cool. The details, did an excellent job on the vehicle. Nice. This thing is very cool. You can feel the weight of this truck. Arrma makes a really good truck. Arrma makes a really good vehicle. I can't complain. I've never really had a problem or issue with their vehicles. This is the undercage. Actually does come with a little cage and guys on the inside, or females, whichever you prefer, of course. But very cool, very cool. And the mechanism to take the body off, you have to press the little 2 buttons on the side here, and that will release the body. So very cool. They do supply you with a, looks like a, what is this, a 2S battery? Yep, yeah, they supply us with a hard case 2S LiPo battery. Just move that out of the way. Not bad, very cool, very convenient. All right, and this is a IC2, I believe, connector. Okay. The motor looks like it's a 380. This looks like a 2-in-1 receiver and ESC box. So if you want to upgrade the, I guess the motor, you'd have to upgrade the ESC also. You'd have to get a, actual ESC that could either link back to your SLT2 or just upgrade the remote and receiver if you're gonna replace the motor and make it brushless, basically. If you're gonna stay with the brush motor, basically, you're good to go. You should be fine. But if you're gonna go brushless with it, you have to upgrade the ESC and the receiver. All right. Very cool. All right, just to show you guys the bottom. Very cool. The suspension feels like it is oil filled. It's just not just springs on some shocks. The caps are plastic. The plastic shock caps, those are plastic, of course. It's not bad though. Looks like a pretty stout vehicle, We'll probably take it to the skate park and give it a test. We'll give it a rip and see how, durable the new Arrma Mojave is. All right, guys, let's go take this thing out for a rip and let's see how she does.